Hey guys, welcome back to Teck's Talking Shop. Mad B. So it's now about impact sockets. Just sockets in general. I asked somebody at my work who's been in the field for quite a while, about 30 years, a little over, and I asked him, what, in his opinion, what is like the best socket. You know, I have yet to actually break any of them from impact or, you know, just normal chrome socket. I've Harbor Freight, Craftsman, Sunex, Snap-on, but yeah, Harbor Freight. So I don't know. I haven't yet to break one, so I'm wondering what's the deal? Like, they all seem to be okay from what I've seen, but he said that he thinks Snap-on is the best. So is it true? I don't know, but I'll show you what I have, and make sure you look at everybody else's videos and then make a decision. I'm sure everyone else has. I'm pretty interested to see what everyone else is gonna come up with. Very curious about this. Okay, so here's what I got. So this is the Sunex set. I just got this almost a year ago now. I did a really short video on my own YouTube channel when I first got it. Like, I haven't even touched it yet, and you can tell some of the sockets I still have yet to really use. They're pretty clean looking still. Comes with extensions as well, but so far I haven't had an issue with them. I used the 21 and 19 the most. As you can see, I've had many swollen lug nuts, but it appears to be holding up, you know, pretty well. I beat on these quite a bit, so it's 20. You can definitely tell which ones are used because the color's more worn out. But they're holding up good. I don't have any complaints, really. I beat the snot out of them. Got shorts, too. I like them. I think this is a really good set. So I've had this almost a year. The one that I was using before is Craftsman. Here, let me turn it around for you. When I started out, I didn't really have any impact sockets, so my husband gave me this to use, and I was supposed to use this until I found my own and gave it back. Well, it was a few years before I gave it back. And this is much dirtier. I definitely used the hell out of this. That's not even close to me in the right spot. I never had any problems with these either, and I beat the snot out of them. So yeah, not bad. I like these. The Craftsman's been good to me. Here's one. I believe the 7/8. She's definitely beat up, a little bit rusty, not bad, but these have held up really well too. I haven't had any major damage occur using Craftsman sockets. obviously use that one a lot as well. But yeah, I haven't had any issues. It's been a really good set. Now I brought it back home, so now it's a at home use kind of deal. It worked good though. So doesn't the Sun X. Both good. I also have a couple impacts I didn't bring, I forgot, in my toolbox at work. That's Harbor Freight. I haven't had any issues with them either, so I don't know. I mean, I'm not gonna be super picky about sockets. I never have been. I have, like I said, I've used Craftsman, Sun X, Snap-on, Harbor Freight. Those are the main sockets that I've used or are using, and I haven't had any issues with them. I use them pretty much every day. I often have vehicles with swollen lug nuts here in Maine because of the chrome caps. So I hammer on my sockets sometimes a lot, and they take the abuse. I have a lot of rust here, so everything I have is kind of takes an abuse. But yeah, so I haven't had any issues. But yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out everyone else's videos and their channels. I think pretty much all of us has our own channel, so it's pretty cool. I really like the input from everyone else and what they got. I think it's a great idea. I love it. It just really shows, variety, and everyone's has something different. So I think that's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.